In the first part of this course, we will go through some basic fuzzing exercises. You can find these exercises linked in the AFL GitHub repository. Let's start by going to the Getting Started section and clicking on the Tutorials link. Now, select the first tutorial, Fuzzing Module, by Alex Maleno. This repository contains great tutorials for getting started with AFL++ and fuzzing in general. Alright, now let's switch to our Linux machine and get started. The first step is to pull the AFL++ container using Podman. In that way, we don't need to install AFL in our machine, and we can use the pre-built container to instrument our target. To pull the AFL image, we can use the podman pull command. Once the download is complete, you can check the available images using the podman images command. And now we can copy the image ID. Next, we can run the pulled image with podman run. The -i option is used to keep the container standard input open, which allows us to interact with it. To make sure everything is running correctly, we can then explore the container a bit. For example, once we are in, we can check the current directory using the pwd command. And we can also list all the files included in this directory.